Now, let's pick up one more question. Despite many bookstores closing, experts predict that some form of book dealing will still be dashed generations from now. The options are obscure, antiquated, prolific, extinct, and extant. Here, the question has the clue word or the connector despite at the beginning of the question. That means there has to be some opposition or contrast in the question. The question says, despite many bookstores closing, the experts still believe that there will be some form of book dealing. So it means that the experts predict that some form of book dealing will be existing or will be prevalent or will be there. So for the blank, we require a word that should be synonymous to existence, inexisting, remaining, surviving, or even prevalent. So with that in mind, let's move on to our option words. The very first word is obscure. If someone or something is obscure, they are unknown or not known to many people or known to only a few people, like a poet of obscure origin. The word obscure also means something that is difficult to understand, comprehend, or deal with. Basically, something that is abstruse, involved, complex, or confusing. The next option word is antiquated. The word antiquated is also an adjective which means something that is old-fashioned or outmoded. If you describe someone or something as antiquated, you are criticizing them and saying that they belong to an earlier period or a very old period and of no use. You can have antiquated ideas, antiquated methods of farming, or antiquated legal procedures, or even antiquated typewriters or sealing wax for letters. So antiquated basically means something that is old-fashioned, outmoded. The next optional word is the word prolific. The word prolific is an adjective which means producing a great number or large amount of something. The word prolific is used to describe especially a writer or an artist. You can also have a prolific sportsman who wins a lot of matches or scores a lot of goals. So the word prolific means producing a large number or great amount of something. The next optional word is extinct. The word extinct means not existing or no longer existing. We can have the example of extinct dinosaurs. And the last optional word is the word extant. The word extant means still surviving in spite of being very old. So the word extant means surviving. Now that we know the meaning of all the option words, let's move on to the options and find out the correct answer. Our prediction for the blank was something that was existent, something that was surviving, or something that was in existence. So from the option words, we can clearly find out that the word extant would be appropriate. So from our options, we can clearly make out that the word extant would fit in the best and would make the sentence grammatically correct and meaningfully significant. So our answer choice would be extant.